Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to create a folder in the Finder application on the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application, and now the first way to create the folder is let's just navigate to the documents to where we will be creating the folder. Once we're in there, right click, new folder. Let's change the folder's name to Videos 2023. That's way number 1. Way number 2 is let's just go to the toolbar on top, go to File, New Folder, and call this Videos 2023 2. And the third way to create a folder is by using a keyboard shortcut. So it's Command, Shift, and N. There we go, that third folder has been created. Now let's name the folder Videos 2023 3. And there we go. So that's how we create a folder using 3 different techniques. First one being right click, folder, go to the toolbar on top, new folder, and then the keyboard shortcut. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.